We got a 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. I'm sure this converts to all the other models, 1500, 3500, crew cab, regular cab, extended cab, GMC, Sierras, whatever. Tow package doesn't work anymore, right? Put the key on, it's supposed to be right there, doesn't work. What the heck? Well, what happened was, Genius Chevy, as much as I love them, they do some bonehead electrical stuff. So what we got here is just an electrical connection that runs down through the gear selector to these wires, to the orange wire. So you go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down after 350,000 miles. 368,073. The wire breaks many times. So I finally said, you know what? It's just a push button. That's all it is. Rewired it to a low capacity button. Oh, what do you got there? On, off, on, off. That's it. I'm gonna drill a hole right through the plastic, screw this thing in, send it. You're welcome. Orange wire.